Bhutan, the land of the thunder dragon. Scenic beauty, snow-capped Himalayan peaks, lush valleys and pristine forests. Rich culture, ancient monasteries, colourful festivals like Paro Chechu and traditional architecture. Sustainable tourism. Bhutan values gross national happiness and limits mass tourism to protect culture and nature. Spiritual vibe. Known for meditation retreats, dzongs, and peaceful Buddhist traditions. Adventure, trekking like the Snowman Trek, river rafting and nature hikes. Unique lifestyle, traditional dress, kira, GHO, butter tea and warm hospitality. Known as one of the most peaceful and eco-friendly countries in the world. Bhutan measures progress by gross national happiness, GNH, instead of GDP. Focuses on well-being, spirituality and nature conservation, nature and scenery. 70% of the country is covered in forests. Dramatic Himalayan landscapes with snow-capped mountains, valleys and rivers. Home to rare wildlife like takin, national animal, snow leopards and red pandas. Culture and heritage. Rich Buddhist traditions influence daily life. Monasteries and fortresses, dzongs like Paro Taktsang, Tiger's Nest Monastery, are world famous. People wear traditional clothing daily, go for men and kira for women. Festivals, colourful religious festivals called chechus, with masked dances, music and prayers. The Paro Chechu and Thimphu Chechu are the most popular for tourists. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to visit Bhutan.